Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Andita from Cauliflower Frankfurt, and today I'm going to show you something special. Can you guess what I can make with cauliflower and the fried rice seasoning paste from Munik? The cauliflower fried rice. So instead of using the normal rice, I use cauliflower. It is very healthy, low carb, and very delicious using the fried rice seasoning paste from Munik.
First, let's make the thin omelette for the topping. Mix 2 eggs with salt and pepper and then make a thin omelette out of it. Then prepare the vegetable you want to use. Chop the cauliflower finely using knives or food processor. Heat the oil and fry the eggs. The pan and the oil must be very hot if you fry the egg to get the aroma. Add the vegetables one by one and fry them until they are done. The scallion is to be added at the end. Set the pan-fried vegetable aside. Heat the oil in the pan and fry the cauliflower rice. Add the fried rice seasoning paste and mix thoroughly. If the cauliflower rice is done, then add the fried vegetables. And the cauliflower fried rice is ready. Cut the thin omelette in stripes and use it as topping. Enjoy your cauliflower fried rice.